What made you smile today? I did a rookie mistake. So I'm over here eating a sleeve of graham crackers because that's just how you eat them. And I have my milk, my water I was eating. I just got done eating a sandwich. I'm really fucking hungry at apparently 3, 4 in the morning right now. And we all know that eventually milk in the line, perfect. It gets on the counter. But you're gonna eat the sleeve anyways. Well, not the sleeve. You're gonna eat the graham crackers. Don't eat the sleeve. Put it on the plastic because you're gonna throw the plastic away or recycle it. So then you don't actually need to fucking clean up a mess. Fuck. Now I have a mess to clean up. There, mess cleaned. There. All clean. What made you smile today, you rookie? I totally forgot that milk is sticky. So I did grab an actual towel and I wet it. I put it on the counter and I wet the bottom and whatnot. But I'm making a mess over here, man. Well, it's kind of what food does. Fucking delicious food. Okay, that is all. What made you smile today? For realsies this time.